Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for today's Russian Word of the Day video, in which we will review all the words from week number 7. Last week we learned the words relating to lunch. One of them that we did not get to last week that we added this week is preserves. What is the word for preserves?
Консервация. Консервация.
Konservatsiya is not just something you would find at обед, you would also find it at dinner. What is the word for dinner in Russian?
Ужин. Ужин.
When you sit down to ужин, you will probably be offered one of several kinds of meat. We already learned ryba, which means fish, but in this week we learned 3 new kinds of meat: chicken, pork, and beef. What is the word for chicken?
Куриное мясо. Куриное мясо.
Again, this word куриное мясо is intended to describe the meat chicken and not the animal, the chicken. Now what about the word for pork?
Свинина. Свинина.
And now what about the word for beef?
Говядина. Говядина.
And last but not least, we have a word that I probably should have introduced way earlier in the series: water. Without water, you can't live. So what is the word for water?
Вода. Вода.
Well, that's it for today's review lesson, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and we are reevaluating some of the ways that we present these words in our lessons. So if you have any feedback that you'd like us to be aware of, please include it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future releases. Пока for now.